Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Payable services. What are accounts payable outsourcing services? Handling a large number of invoices and other accounts payable documentation in a row is a very hectic task for the company. This task also has become extremely time consuming and costly for the accounts payable department. The accounts payable outsourcing service helps in streamline the multiple tasks including scanning, matching, validation and approval. It also enables staff to concentrate on core business tasks, generating faster processing times and quick payments. Why proper invoice indexing and predefined workflow is required for accounts payable processing. Digitizing your invoices and creating a workflow can help the business to organize the flow of vendor invoices through various approval and quality check process very easily. It also ensures the same by suggesting small technical changes in the existing system. What do we do in invoice indexing? We index your PO and non-PO invoices or expenses to go through the required approval authority. The workflow allows us to get a complete MIS for visibility of invoice status in real time and also maintain all your geographies. Why is proper invoice processing required? Suppliers play an important role in the growth of the organization by giving their payments on time, which also helps in strengthening the relationship. An invoice correctly processed leads to hassle-free clearance of payable and take discounts on early payments as well. What do we do in invoice processing? Our team of professionals has extensive knowledge of the accounts payable process that handles all kind of invoices, that is PO based invoice, non-PO invoices, service or material invoice and many more. What is the importance of payment processing in accounts payable processing? Credit period is an important aspect to manage by the organization as it directly affects the cash flow in the business. On one hand, paying early gives additional discount, thus saving money for the business, and on the other hand, paying on due dates allows the business to enjoy complete credit period and maintain working capital available all the time. Why should we prepare for GRIR reconciliation before making payments to the vendor? Have you wondered why your team takes a lot of time at the end of the year correcting the ledgers of nominal accounts or any suspense account? Your inventory and payables need to be reconciled regularly so that your books are up to date and show the true status of your ledgers. Let us help you in the best possible way. What do we do in GRIR reconciliation? We reconcile at the unit level of purchase order receiving with the invoices being sent by the vendors and report or clear any variation at frequent intervals. We coordinate with the procurement and the accounts payable team to take required action and float a regular MIS for you. Now you can relax on the chair at the end of the year and don't need to chase your team for the closure of financial on time. Why do we do in payment processing? All payments are in your controls. Our team prepares an aging of payables, highlights the critical invoices, enlists the top vendors, creates a payment proposal in the accounting ERP system, and makes available for your approval and submitting payment file to bank. Whether you pay daily or weekly, we make all the required data available for you to take a decision on your payables. What is vendor statement reconciliation? Is it important for effective accounts payable processing? Do not let yourself struggle with the dispute merely due to the fact that your statements are not reconciled on time and avoid any undue late fees. Now you can easily focus on issuing 1099 forms on due dates and meet deadlines of annual returns. Why do we do in vendor statement reconciliation? We reconcile all vendor invoices and the payments issued to them considering all applicable discounts or returns and update the vendor periodically for any difference in the ledger. We coordinate with the vendor's accounts receivable team for any requirement correction. What is the importance of vendor data management? Why should this be outsourced? Do you have a large number of vendors? Hence, the correctly updated and managed vendor databases helps in managing the day-to-day transactions smoothly as well as ensures accuracy tax ability at the end of the year. What do we do in vendor data management? We get the required details and tax certificates from your vendors while initial setup and keep them updated frequently year after year. We also address the vendor request whenever they want their details updated, like a change in name, tax ability, nature of business, and contract information. Why is vendor help desk important for every business? Some organizations are equally performing well as you are and need their books reconciled timely. A dedicated AP help desk team addresses all queries incoming from your vendor. This is required so that your vendors can be heard well to strengthen the organizational relationship. What do we do in vendor help desk? We set up a dedicated mailbox and desk number so that your vendors can reach you. We log all queries received on the shared mailbox and the help desk number and address them in a sophisticated and timely manner. Thank you.